friend of mine called me last month and said something that honestly stayed with me. She said, Linda, I've been saving money for years now, but somehow the money is working, not me. And I asked her one question. If you leave that money exactly where it is today, will it worth more by December 2026 or less? And she went quiet. Do you see? And this is the mistake that many Nigerians still make in 2026. They believe that keeping the money or saving their money in the bank is much safer or is enough for them. But let's be honest, if you keep your money idle or sitting idle in the bank, even in the next 1 year, that 1 million naira that you saved will still be 1 million naira. In fact, because prices keep increasing every day, the purchasing power of that 1 million naira will be less. Then let's use another person that invested that 1 million naira in real estate, that made a deposit for one property or got an affordable property with that 1 million naira. Then suddenly road construction starts, new roads, electricity, schools, hospitals, commercial activities start going on in that area. People started coming into that area to build and live. Can you see, even without them thinking of selling that property, the value of that land already increased, and that's the difference. The first person's money stayed with the person idle without making any money for the person, but the second person's money worked for the person. That's how wealthy people think. They don't just save money. They don't think that saving money in the bank or leaving their money idle is the safest thing to do. No, they put their money into assets that have the potential to grow over time, even when they are asleep. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that every piece of land will grow overnight. But when you buy the right property, the right location with proper documentation, then time becomes your business partner, and that's how money keep working for you without you having to wake up every single day to earn for money or to keep working hard to earn for money. So let me ask you, if you have 1 million naira in your account today, will you invest it in real estate or will you keep it idle? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget that I'm Linda Asaba, your real estate consultant based in the city of Asaba, and I help first-time buyers secure affordable property with verifiable documents, genuine property in the city of Asaba, be it for buy and build, be it for land banking, be it for land flipping, be it for your commercial activities or for farming. I got it covered. So call me on the number showing on your screen if you are ready to start your investment journey with as little as 500,000 naira, 1 million naira. So let's start from there. So call me right now. Let's do immediately.